Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you a quick fix for downloading videos from PEXEL.com. First, let's open the site PEXEL.com and try to open a video. Next, let's try to download this video by clicking the Free Download button. Now, wait for some time. Here no download is happening and the video is playing directly. Let's try with another video too. Here is the fix for this problem. Select the video and choose the desired size of the video to be downloaded, then click on the download option. The video starts playing with the selected quality. Right-click on the video and select the Save Video As. Now the video will be downloaded. You can try with different video sizes. That's it. Happy downloading.